guys, welcome back to the hobby farm. Hey, we're gonna go out here and check on these chickens. Have been treated now for 2.5 days, 3 days, something like that. So we'll go out here and get them checked out, see if they're improving at all. Like I said, normally that stuff runs its course pretty quick in a chicken. Usually chicken doesn't make it unless you catch it early enough and get it treated. So let's see how they're doing. Hopefully they're doing better here, and we'll check on a few other things. Now they're moving around. Looks like they're at least eating and drinking water. Now I'll have to change that water today and re-up the stuff in the water, but moving around, they look a lot better. It's really hard to see. I don't have a light in that stall, so I need to put some more lights in this barn. But definitely looks like they're coming around for the good. So I think I caught it early enough, and it may not even been that. It could have been just a change in the weather. I mean, we had like a really cold spell come through here, and it's just nasty. But now the weather seems to be turning out to be better. We're getting up to about 60 today, and looks like maybe one of the horses was reaching over here and eating the grass. I would have to say that would be Archer doing that, but anyways. Cows look fat and the cows look fat and sassy. Can't even talk today. But they'll be getting fed here in about a half hour. Let's go check on the other chickens that are in the garage. See how big they're getting, because they're getting pretty large. We did have a casualty in some of the new layers that we just bought. It looks like it just got trampled. So. But we'll check it out. They're definitely getting stinky today. Holy crap. Yeah, it's about time for the pen to be cleaned up. Oh yeah, they're getting big. Yeah, so we've had those a couple weeks now. Then the baby layers. They're growing. Turkeys are getting fairly large. I'm gonna have to get that other stall done so I can get these guys moved out. But everything's looking good in here. We did get a small duckling. It was gave to us. It was like one of the last ones left in Tractor Supply, and it had what you call splayed legs, which for some reason the legs just go backwards and out. So we did do a treatment on it. I'll show you a clip of it. Basically, you're putting a band-aid on the legs, holding them together, and it takes about 4 or 5 days for it to get its balance underneath them. This one was a little worse than normal because it had went more than probably a week without something being addressed to help it. So it took a little bit, but I'll show you. I'll go in the house and show you. It gets around now. It's starting to walk. It'll probably always have a limp because the one leg was really bad. But, you know, for free, we said, why not? We'll just give it a try to get it fixed up. But it seems to be working. Not working, but able to get its feet underneath of it and keep its balance now. So I'll show you that clip now of what we did to it, and then I'll show you how it's progressed. So sit back and relax. Okay guys, welcome back to the hobby farm. I got a real short video. We just got this duck for free, but it has splayed legs, and we're going to show you how to fix it. First thing we're going to do is take a band-aid and cut it long ways. So we'll go ahead and get that done. Okay, so we're going to cut that long ways.
is so weird.
Okay, we're only gonna use 1/2. So we'll use 1/2. Peel one end off. Okay, so we'll pick him up. Her, him, I don't know what it is. Down here. Okay, so you want to wrap it around the knuckle joint.
Right here?
Yep. All the way down to put it all the way down to the cushion and then wrap it around. All the way back to itself. That's it. All right, here's the duckling afterwards. We did a few days of treatment on it. So let's get it out and see if it'll walk. It's got the Band-Aid on it still. What if we take the Band-Aid off? It'll help. Before it wasn't able to sit even like that. So, but it does move around. So I'll have to show you later. I'll put it back in. But you can see how we got the Band-Aid on. This is the worst leg, but it's definitely getting back to normal. But see how it loses its balance? But it's getting better. But yeah, so when the girls get here, I'll show you how it can get moved around. But it's doing good. All right, I'm gonna move some hay over here to the cows and see what else we can get into. Okay, that's all done. So I'm gonna go up here and clean out the chicken pen brooder that's in the garage, which is pretty nasty. So let's go up here and get that done. Guys. All right, all cleaned up. Now they're all over there. They'll eventually come back over here. But I'm going to get water for these guys. Probably end up adding a second watering for them. It seems like they're drinking that one pretty quick. And then these guys all taken care of. Doesn't look like they mess with it today. I have to get on the kids for that. But yeah, so I'm gonna get them some water, so sit back and relax. All right, got 2 waterers in there. That should cover them. Yeah, see, they're starting to work their way back underneath the light. So we probably got, I don't know, maybe 5 more. Sorry, my nose is running. Probably 5 more weeks on those, and then they'll go. But you know, we're supposed to get some pretty good weather as far as temperature wise here in the next 6 to 7 days. That's when it really gets bad in here as far as stink. But it is what it is. I mean, it's the make a little money and put food in our freezer for over the winter. It's a sacrifice. I mean, it's only 8 weeks, so that's about it. So I'm gonna end this video here and catch up with you guys later on.